How to add cinematic and cool camera pans easily on Higgsfield AI. Click on the option video over here on Higgsfield. Inside here, just click on the option search and write pan. And on pan, now you can just choose different models over here. And it shows you like different camera angles and stuff like that. You can see the orbital presence, zombie dancing and all this stuff. Whichever type of camera pan you want, you can go over here, search for it and use it. Now, if you don't like any of the camera pans that's available over here, you can just use AI. I like to use Gemini, and over here just write this. Write me a prompt for a camera pan for my video generation from a image. Now over here, you want to write this first, word for word, what I have just written. Now over here, describe what kind of pan you want. I want the pan to be similar to a movie like Odysseus and have like a cool top down to it. I'm just describing what kind of pan I want. I want the camera to pan from up to down, and I need it to be like, cool, like in the movie Odysseus. Now you can write whatever you want. Just make sure to describe the pan you want. Then it's going to generate you a prompt, which is going to be far better than anything you generate. See that? I can just copy this and come over here and paste it and start generating. It's that simple. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.